So this next section of the Illinois Master Gardener program was on propagation, and the learning objectives were: understand the basic principles of sexual and asexual propagation, understand the sexual reproductive cycle of plants and how seeds are produced, be able to classify plants by life cycle, annual, biennial or perennial, describe how the environmental factors of temperature, moisture, light and seed depth influence seed germination, know the basic techniques for planting seeds, transplanting seedlings and fertilizing seedlings, describe propagation of plants by specialized structures such as bulbs, corms, tubers and rhizomes, understand the basic asexual methods of cuttings, layerage and tissue culture, and understand advantages and disadvantages of asexual and sexual propagation. So this was a very short section and did not have any online material, so therefore there was not the usual worksheet that I was using to test my before and after knowledge. It was made up of 3 sections: growing plants from seed. You can see the material there. And then producing plants by asexual propagation, which is probably the most interesting part. So that includes taking leaf cuttings, leaf bud cuttings, root cuttings, and working with bulbs and tubers. And then this was probably the most interesting part that I haven't completed yet. I'll probably do this in the spring, but they have propagation exercises where you can actually test your knowledge by actually doing the practical exercise of propagating and the different propagation techniques. So that looks to be quite an interesting thing to be doing in the spring. So the next section in my Illinois Master Gardener program is on insects. I'm looking forward to that. That looks very interesting indeed.